Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Roger, and today we're going to take a look at how to make this daily drivable supercar even more practical than it already is. We're going to look at how to improve its storage space, add Bluetooth capabilities, and enhancing the speaker system to make it sound even better. Number one, improving the storage space in this car. Now, the Audi R8 has a pretty good, decent sized frunk, but there's actually one way you can give it more storage space. On the bottom of the frunk, there is a toolkit which comes with a lot of wrenches you can use to fix up your own car when it breaks down on the side of the road. But who's going to actually use it? So what I've done here is actually remove it completely. I'll show you guys right now. And it actually gives you about 3 or 4 inches more storage space than you had before. Let me take a look. So you see on the side of the felt, there's actually a recessed area with a different material. And that's actually the material from the toolkit that I've removed. So you see you get that extra 3 inches of space right down there. Now this is super useful for if you want to fit on a really big carry-on luggage or if you want to store some extra things on top. And that 3 inches can go a long way. Now besides the frunk, there are also a few more storage spaces inside the car that owners wouldn't normally know about, which I'm going to show you today. Under the seat on each side, there's actually a small storage cubby that you can use to store little receipts and such. I've decided to keep all my gas receipts in here. A great place to keep stuff hidden. Another area to store stuff that's pretty secret inside here is on the back of the seats. Now, for some reason, these back seats have netting on them, which allows you to store maybe some secret documents that you don't want other people to see. Just make sure it's not that huge because it will squish against this back part here. So don't put anything you want to be damaged. Number 2, adding Bluetooth capabilities to this car. Because who wants to be plugging in an aux for their audio? For some strange reason, this 2014 model does not come with Bluetooth audio, although it has Bluetooth capabilities for hands-free calling, which doesn't make sense to me at all, why you wouldn't have Bluetooth audio in a $150,000 supercar, when a Honda Civic or a Toyota Camry came with those capabilities, but who knows why. I figured out a way how to add Bluetooth to this car by using a small adapter that I found off Amazon. Link in the description below. So what I have here is the Bluetooth adapter device. On the top, you can see I've attached a USB charger so it never runs out of battery. And on the bottom here, it connects to the aux cable. Now this has several advantages over the aux cable by itself, because what you can do is skip songs by double tapping on the bottom. You can play and stop by tapping here. So really useful stuff to gain control over your entertainment system here, which is a great improvement. Now the third thing is enhancing the sound in the Audi R8. The Audi R8 comes with a Bang & Olufsen speaker system, which is really great, but when you first get in the car, it sounds like most of the audio is coming from the very front. But you look around and there's speakers everywhere. You have speakers on the side door area here, and there's also one behind the seat belts. But it seems like all the sound's coming to the front. What Audi has decided to do is actually bias towards the audio towards the very front, but they do give you the capability of changing it within the infotainment system. Here we can see in the infotainment system, there's a fader option. If it's set to the default, which is in the middle here, most of the sound, 80% of it, comes to the very front. So what you guys have to do is actually turn it towards the rear a bit to give you a more enriched speaker system. You guys probably can't hear the difference, but that makes a whole world of difference inside this car. So there you have it, guys. 3 tips and tricks to make this 2014 Audi R8 even more daily drivable than it already is. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.